The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Horny ass bitch, come to Digicel, change out and put iVany right underneath my SIM card. Oh, you never ask her for your PUK number. Oh, now ask me for your PUK number. And you say you will need PUK number for sure. Say it's you and Ray. The people them not even want to tell me. They want to say Bumba Clatter. Oh, she knows say the person here name the pan this number account. Pan the account. She have a link in a Digicel A PU UL. I tell her that. I have video everything. I say you know what? I just stay calm. I just cool. I gotta think before I act. Because you see, I go act in ignorance. It's all type of shit. My name is for call. So you gotta hear people say me a pussy, me a this, me a that. You know much things me do and good things me do people who don't fucking know about? I'm all my cool when and talk all type of shit. Digicel. I blame Digicel for this hacking thing you done here, so. Digicel have somebody I work with them, we work with iVany, right? I want only people pan here, so enough me need for lick out pan Digicel, and me need enough to put out some type of something pan Digicel. Digicel a pussy. If you're with Digicel, yeah, as such she can't get in your fucking page. Here, you see if you have a flow number, she can't get in your page. If you have a flow number, she cannot get in your page unless she have a link of flow too. Yeah, fuck with them I do. Them give the girl me now, me don't want me now, me I say wait there, cause me there and me I go in on my page like my mind tell me say yo go and check on your page and go look for something, cause true me there and me say somebody a post something. Me say me go look if on them page them post so me can like it too. Bamson. Blood clot one time I look, me say me I looking at my information, me say somebody a try hacking on my page, you know. Somebody hacking on my page, you know. One time I look to blood clot. I mean name that me see a erase, shut the controller boss. I go so brrrr. So me say somebody hacking on my page, me say Trudy, look at me and Trudy there look at me and say yo, look here. Ask her should be watch her. She say I fuss. I fuss she ever see. I fuss she ever see somebody. I see my number that's a eraser me I put him back my name and so the girl just take it off and delete it back. Why me couldn't tell? She did say somebody act back in on the page while she at the page and me and the person were there in my page I deal with the page same way and I try change over things. And me email, me and balance with me email and everything. So she not work with one phone. No, she work with somebody else. Work with a computer. The same phone. Bitch, she you know, she knows me I use the number. She call my phone for bookings. She call the number for bookings and me have the number. And somebody else have the number. Digicel, give out my number. Digicel. I say, yo, I say, no better pray. One better company to come to Jamaica. May I tell you no? She working with somebody in a Digicel. There's no doubt about it. There's no way. There's no way me go a Digicel with my TRN and my ID and get my blood clot SIM card, right? And when time me go back and say my SIM card now work and this girl acting on my blood clot page and me gonna talk to them. Them a tell me say them can't help me. Me need to go to police station. And a fear name on my account in a Digicel and there is a note under the account saying do not let anyone have any access with this unless they can show some identification with iVany, right? You see me walk out of this, and say mad and I cuss out blood clot and the man go tell me say him can't help me. You know when I go up in I go tell me some lawyer upon a blood clot phone. Don't ramp with me, my lawyer is on the phone. I would like specific details and who to contact or email and who for take feed name. I'm going there like a big investigator. I need name, I need supervisor name. First of all, for two, I need to find out who is the head office, who is the CEO, chief, whatever them, the executive, whoever. I need to find out whoever is the top heads to deal with through email if you can't get a number. And that's how he gave me everything and all of the information then, because I told him that my lawyer was on my phone and me I deal with him calm. You hear me? Them can't trick me. Them cannot trick. So who?
Them just sue her. No, they must have sue iVany.
I'm for sue iVany. First of all, iVany is not saying that she's not nobody. I'm not gonna put it that way. So she not nobody. iVany have look like something wrong with her. She get hurt or something. To me, when me see something is wrong with iVany, and iVany felt like say nobody don't love her, or whoever her parents or whoever is her family, whoever this owner for make her be the person who she is, that she became a dancer or start being a stripper or whatever. I seriously think that nothing wrong with being a stripper, because everybody have to eat food. People out there do fucking worse than being a stripper and I survive. iVany want attention, but the way O'Shea look attention is the wrong way. The way O'Shea look attention is the wrong blood clot way. She a human being, so me not go talk say she's nobody or whatever. Something wrong with her and she does take it out for everybody. And then whoever go fuck her, them entertainers, some of them entertainers too, where they in a blood clot business, if you keep on the cocky on the pants, they walk and fuck too much. Because of some entertainer, somebody piss her, fuck this a girl a piss her off, because from day one start going with her excitement. Remember, so the girl used to strip off all her clothes, skin out her pussy on her own live, and video it and send it out, and they used to have it and circulate the whole internet. Would some people condone that bullshit too and make you feel like say ray. And that's how come blah now she gone and the little dirty boy, then dirty artist boy gone fuck her, whoever, me don't know who. Some of the artists no fuck it too much, man. Who for keep on the cocking down the pants and know who for fuck and who no for fuck. Who for tease and well want fuck you. You know much man and me a friend will watch it years and them want fuck me, cause through the fun me know say him want fuck me just a play with him brain.
Viewers and subscribers, from the other day me I hear say some pages being hacked. You know what I mean? You know me say hacked, me mean like somebody use somewhere online to go inside of someone's Instagram page or Facebook page or whatsoever. You see me I hear about this hacking thing from what they hear. Me hear say Candy Wow page get hacked. Me hear say one dancer fear page get hacked. Me hear about one page where somebody that run a competition for them page get hacked. Me can't remember that one, but me I hear about this bag of hacking things. You see me? And me I hear say a certain name is being called about this thing. You see me I say a name that is known as iVany, right? And I've been hearing that she admitted to it. Now the person that I just see in the video a while ago is known as Shauna. And she says that a person that is known as iVany hacked into her page. She also mentioned something about Digicel. And she also mentioned something about phone number. Viewers and subscribers, me have to say this to you. The more you live, the more you learn. And what me I see right now is something that it is not good. Hacking people page, nobody shouldn't do that. No. It is not something anyone should practice, viewers and subscribers. You might be surprised to see the amount of trouble you get into by doing something like this. Right? It's invading people's privacy. That is not good. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, this is what I want to tell you now. Right? I want you to be very careful. Right? I want you to make sure that you be careful of how your password out there, or if your password easy if you put in or whatsoever. Careful of how you make your page and all these things. Just be very careful. I am no computer whiz, so I can't really tell you certain things to put certain ways. You see me? But I'm telling you, just be very careful, alright? Because you wouldn't like to know, so you wake up one day your page hacking too. You see? Now, I am doing this video only if you just put a warning out there for me to know say some hacking thing are going right about now, viewers and subscribers in. And I don't want anyone to think I'm doing this video to point any fingers on anyone, you know what I mean? Because My name is Dancehall Skilla. I don't work with accusations, right? So if somebody says something happen or says me no work with those things, I am only here to tell you, say, look, beware, be careful, because at that I go on. Alright? I'm only there to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I go on. Alright? Alright. So anyways, viewers and subscribers, me just tell you what I go on right now. You know, the person we see is known as Shauna. She's saying that a person that is known as iVany hacked her page. Right? Now, you can let me know to think about something like this. So until the next time, if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think, and don't forget to read the comment sections, because some of the times my viewers and subscribers will leave some comments in the comment section that is very informative, as well as I myself will leave a comment or so in the comment section that can keep you up to date or to any changes that might happen due to the video that I bring to you, my viewers and subscribers, that is out there, or the topic or the subject. You get what I mean? Alright. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey man, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.